Hi everyone! Come and join me. Let's draw an animal costume frog. Let's start by drawing the shape of its head. Next, the eyes. Let's draw the cheeks and lips. His hair is next. Look, the kid opened his eyes. Let's draw the frog's eyes and the frog's spots and cheeks. Next, let's draw the shape of its body. And the arms. I'm excited! Let's color the costume frog together. He is happy to see you. Would you dress up as a frog for your Halloween party? We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.